Hello, I'm Styx the Badger. We will learn about homophones. A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but differs in meaning. Also called homonyms. A homophone may also differ in spelling. The two words may be spelled the same like this. For example, rose, spelled R-O-W-S, is a homophone word of rose, R-O-S-E. The number of letters remain the same, but with different meaning. Similarly, to get the number of letters different, for example, carrot spelled with 5 letters C-A-R-A-T, is a homophone of carrot, is a 6-letter word, C-A-R-R-O-T. Do you realize why did we get the same pronunciation with different words and number of letters? The reason is, on the basis of homonyms or homophones. An exercise for the listening sentence. Choose the correct word that sounds appropriately. Here is first sentence, I blew the candle. What's the homophone word spelling? The answer is B-L-E-W. Next one, 8 people tent. What is this spelling? The answer is E-I-G-H-T, for the numbers. And finally for this sentence, gold-bearing quartz veins. What is the homophone spelling? The answer is V-E-I-N-S. Another exercise, to identify the word meaning. First one, with meaning. To require something. Guess the homophone word of need. The answer is N-E-E-D. And second one with the word cell, S-C-L-L. Option A, nucleus of political activity. Or option B, persuade someone of the merits of. Guess the homophone meaning. The answer is option B, persuade someone of the merits of. So you now know the basics of homophones. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.